In the wilderness, God sent ravens to feed Elijah, a prophet in hiding. These scavengers, often seen as unclean, became divine messengers, sustaining him with bread and meat. This story from 1 Kings 17 reveals how God uses unexpected means to provide and protect. Just as scavengers clean the earth, removing decay, they serve the higher purpose in God's plan. Elijah's reliance on these birds teaches us to trust in divine provision, even when it comes from unlikely sources. Today, this tale reminds us of the unseen roles that sustain life and faith.